So as we can see here, there is the distance 27 units from this endpoint right here to the center of the circle. So let's go and construct that. So I'm going to just create a line from this point and to here until here, and then I'm going to 27 there, and that's my marker. And then let's take a look at the radius of the circle. The radius, the diameter is 35, so the radius is 17.5. Okay, so let's I just create a line again. So I'm here, and then 17.5. Okay, so it's another marker right there, and you can just mirror that. See, let's create X line for this first, for the center. Okay, so for the center, offset, and then T, and then select line here. Okay, so this will be the center of the circle. Okay, this will be the center of the circle, and you can create a mirror here. Okay, so right there. Oh, let's do it again. Okay, so let's create a mirror there. Then no. Okay, so let's check the dimensions so that we will be okay. 17.5 it is. So we got those right, and let's create other X lines for these as well. So offset and T, then here, and then another one here. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so basically we can now create our auxiliary view. You can just select how far you want it from this left side view. So we just have to create a perpendicular line. So let's create that line. So let's say here. Okay, deferred perpendicular. Okay, right there. You want to create it there. So you can just trim that. Okay, so let's take a look at the picture again. So okay, so we have here, this is we need to offset 70, right? Because this is also the length of this side is also 70. So let's do that. So we need to offset this 70. Okay, need 70 there. Okay, there you have it. So, and let us offset it by 35 also, so that we will know where the center of the circle will be, right? Because if you take a look at the picture, it is 35 from its sides. Okay, so I'm going to create an offset again, so 35, and go there. Okay, so now we know where our circle, this is the center of our circle. So let's try to construct our auxiliary view given all these information. Okay, so we know that we can see this solid line right here. So let's create that. Okay. Okay, there you go. So you can see this right from this flat surface right here. And then, of course, you can see the circle. And of course, you can see this part right here as one flat surface. So let's create that also. Then this one. And of course, this one will also be represented in the auxiliary view. And then we have a circle right here with a radius of 17.5. So let's create our circle right here. So this is 17.5 already. Okay, so if we turn on our... So this will be our auxiliary view. Okay, so let's just finish this up by constructing some hidden lines. So for the hidden lines, give it... This is for this, the hole in the middle. And for the center line, let's just... Okay, so the last step would be to create a circle in this top view right here. And as you know, the circle will not look like this. It will look like an ellipse because it is distorted, right? Okay, so let's create, first and foremost, let's create a vertical line, a construction line. Oops, that line, vertical, and then, okay, so, and after that, you can then, we know that this is 70, and the center of the circle is in between the 70 and offset of 35. So I'm just going to create a simple line right here, the length of 35. Okay, so that I will know that this is already the center of the circle. And in order to know the extent of the circle, we are going to the ellipse. Okay, so there will be a minor axis and a major axis. So let's create some x lines again, vertical lines on the... Oh wait, x line, and then vertical for this one and this one. Okay, so now we have that, and then you can also create a line for this one right here, perpendicular, and we can lengthen this to extend here. Okay, so now we know that the circle will only be until here, and the major axis of this ellipse has the same radius as the original circle, right? Because the distortion is only in this particular area right here. So from this to here, from the center to this part, and from the center to this part. Okay. Okay, so let's draw the circle, the ellipse right now. So in order to create that, let's go to axis. Let's try this, axis and end. Okay. Oh, that's not it. Okay, let's try axis and end again. So here. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. And then we need to specify this 17.5 right here. Okay, 17.5. Okay, so let us see if it is exactly 17.5. Okay, so that is how you create a distorted circle for the top view. And now we forgot that we should have put that in the object. Now, we've learned in the previous videos that we can transfer one object to another by clicking this button right here. So match layer. So I'm going to select this object, and okay, so I'm going to click this destination layer. There you have it. Okay, so if we turn off the construction, so this is now our final output. So this is a top view, the auxiliary view, and we have here the left side view. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.